Is there a memory or a situation that still feels heavy inside? Let's try a simple but powerful shift. It's called the 3 positions technique. First, step into the memory. See everything through your own eyes, just like it happened. What do you feel? What thoughts come up? Take a few moments to connect with this inner perspective. Now, shift into the second position. Imagine you are the other person involved in that moment. Look at the situation through their eyes. What might they have been feeling? What might their intentions have been? And finally, the third position. Imagine you are a small insect on the wall, just watching it all from above or from the side. You're not part of the moment. You're just observing. What do you notice now? Does the situation feel different? Maybe it even feels a little funny or far away. Shifting perspectives like this can ease the grip of old emotions and bring lightness where there was tension. Let us know in the comments. Did something shift for you? This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.